I'll just mix with water. I mix it with water like this because I need to put water because it gets sticky. I can't just put it like this. I need to mix it like that. Okay. I'll start with this and then I'll make some ginger there also. Oh, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Uh, it's a this one here. It's you can see how it looks like. It's a powder. It's like sorghum powder. This one is red sorghum actually. It's very good for you.